Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you copy or duplicate a page inside your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to duplicate a page on your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you have your website with Weebly, sometimes you're going to have products that are really similar, but you want it to have its own page. So instead of recreating the entire page, you can simply copy a page that's similar and then do some data entry and change the slight information that's different. This works well with various city listings or with various product listings. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to duplicate a page you have in your Weebly website, it's going to be handled in the editor. So first, here on the top left, make sure you're working in the correct website. Once you've chosen the website, here on the left, you're going to click on website, and then you're going to click on edit site. Okay, once you do that, up here on the top left, you're going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see all the different pages you have. So here's standard pages, category pages, item pages. So go ahead and the page that you want to duplicate. So for example, this one right here, home. Once you hover over the page, you're going to see these three dots to the right. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you can click on duplicate page. Once you do that, go ahead and rename this page. This is going to be the name of the duplicate. Okay, once you've renamed it, go ahead and click on save. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we have a new page that we duplicated. So if we click in between these, home and cool car. So you can see it's identical. It's just the name of the page is different. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to copy or duplicate one of your pages in your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.